The HOMCOM Massage Office Chair is designed to alleviate back pain with its 6-point vibration massage and lumbar heating features, helping to reduce body fatigue. This executive chair offers a relaxing experience with its 125-degree reclining backrest and tilt function, providing relief for your lower lumbar and spine. The high back design of this chair ensures all-day comfort by supporting your neck, back, and lower lumbar, while the padded armrests provide additional elbow support. The microfiber material of the chair is not only soft and breathable, but also easy to clean, making it suitable for long hours of use. With adjustable seat height ranging from 17.75 inches to 21.75 inches, you can customize the chair to fit your desk and personal preferences. The chair has an overall dimension of 25.5 inches in width by 28 inches in depth by 43.25 to 47.25 inches in height, supporting a weight capacity of 264 pounds.